Hi guys, I want to take a second and I wanted to take a minute and show you guys how to submit assignments on Canvas. I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys and comments saying that you do not know how to submit or attach and submit an assignment. So for reading, I am in our ELA class. I'm going to go into assignments. I am going to open up, we're going to use the Close Read Note Catcher from Rain School. I'm going to just click that for this example. You're going to click on your assignment. Up here at the top, you will see Submit Assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to click this button, and when you do, down here, you're going to have the option of where to pick your assignment from. When you take a picture of your assignment with the camera on your Chromebook, you will be able to save it. Please make sure that whenever you do an assignment and save it on your computer that you know what the name is. Please make sure that you are naming the assignments correctly. When you upload, you will be uploading from Google Drive and you will click on one of these two. When you click on the correct one, you will see something like, you will see this, where it says submit your work and to select a file from your Google Drive. You should see your picture with your name and your student email. If you don't, you need to hit switch accounts so that way you are in your Google Drive and not somebody else's. You will click Select File. When you do, this will pop up. You will be able to search your entire drive if you click on My Drive. So I'm just going to pick an assignment. For example, I'm going to use our social studies notebook for this example. I named it Miss Read because I use my name for it, Miss Read, and when I'm looking for my social studies notebook, it comes right up because I knew what I named it, and I started it with my name. I'm going to click on the assignment that I want to upload. This box will pop up, and you will hit Attach. Once you hit Attach, you will see right here in the file that you now have a file attached to the assignment. Now you will be able to click this blue button again that says Submit Assignment. Once your file is uploaded and attached, click Submit Assignment. This box will pop up and all you need to do is hit OK. When your assignment has been submitted, it will say right here on your submission, Submitted. It will tell you what you submitted, and you should be able to click on it. It will also say Resubmit because you've already submitted it. That is all you have to do to submit an assignment. So please, if you ever forget how to submit an assignment, make sure to rewatch this video. I also want you to make sure that if you are confused with anything, that you are coming to our office hours from 3:15 to 4 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.